Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we're going to take a look at a Starking men's watch. So Starking is or Starking. I keep saying Starking because it's together as one word, but hey, I don't know. Maybe it's Starking. It's a company, a Chinese company that reached out to me to see if they could send me a watch and I could take a look at it. So this watch actually comes up on Aliexpress.com, and within the next couple days, they're actually calling it their 11/11 sale, and a ton of their watches are, really discounted. So I'll link to that AliExpress's site, and I'll actually link to this watch in case you like it. And tomorrow I didn't give you guys much leeway on that, but 11/11, a bunch of the watches are going to be on sale. So this one, the description of it is just Starking men's transparent watch. Now people always seem to be asking for inexpensive automatic watches or cheap automatic watches, which is why some of the Chinese brands I've done is just because they're inexpensive automatic watches. So as you can see, we got the movement back there, a clear display case back. I'm not sure what movement this is, to be honest with you. I have no clue. Their description of it is it is a 28,800 beats mechanical movement. That's the only description we have. So it is 50 millimeters water resistant, and it's Hardlex crystal. Now the case diameter on this one is 40 millimeters. The case thickness is 13 millimeters. See, we got a logoed crown and that display case back. Now, one thing I will say about this particular one, some of the other Starking watches might be a little bit different, a little nicer. This one says it actually has a zinc alloy case, which kind of worries me a little bit. I'm wondering how well this will actually stand up. Now, it does say it has a stainless steel case back, so the case back potentially is stainless steel, but the rest of the case is zinc alloy. We have a genuine leather strap, which as far as leather straps go, I'd say it's a fairly generic one. I've definitely felt some that were worse. This one's not too bad. And we've got that crazy kind of skeletonized dial, which I think is pretty cool. It might make it a little harder to read, but it's not too bad for me. Overall, I actually don't think this is a bad piece for the price. Well, here's the thing. Right now it's on their site for $75. And if you hop on during that 11/11 sale, it's going to be $45 or $44 something. So if you like this, you could pick it up for really cheap. Like I said, there's a bunch of other watches on that site that are also going on sale. I don't know if they're all the Starking, but there's a bunch of them. So I will link to that site. That sale ends tomorrow, but my guess is they probably have quite a few sales. I'll go ahead and throw it on wrist really quick so we can get a little bit better look at it. I'm still wearing my Boulder Explorer. All right, guys, so there you go. That's what that one looks like on my roughly 7-inch wrist. Like I said, it's really not a bad looking watch. I think if you picked it up on that sale and got it for the $44, you'd be really happy with it. It'll be interesting to see how this one holds up over time, just because of that zinc alloy case. Sounds pretty inexpensive to me. But I'm wondering how some of the other Starking models are, because they have some that are a little bit more expensive. This model is the TM0271, but the actual model is AM0271SL17. Overall, not bad. Like I said, they wanted to send it to me to check out and show you guys. So let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. I don't think it's too bad for an inexpensive automatic watch. As always, guys, thanks for watching.